This has to be one of the most prettiest naturalist body wave units I've worked with before. What's up, y'all? My name is Keandra. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm coming to y'all with yet another wig install. This one is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. They provided me with this beautiful body wave unit, y'all. It's so natural, so pretty. I went ahead and put some wand curls in it, gave it some layers, you know, did a little side part, which I haven't did in a while, and it turned out super cute. So if you are interested in how I got this look, stay tuned, and like always, all the links will be in my description box down below. Let's get into how I got this look, y'all. So the hair did come in as pretty bag and box. I'm just showing y'all some goodies that came in, which I forgot to use these wig caps. Beauty Forever, shout out to y'all. These wig caps in this specific package that I forgot to use are so bomb. They were like a stock-in material, real thin. But now I'm just showing y'all the construction of the unit. I'm showing y'all that it did come with an elastic band to put in the unit. The only thing I didn't like about it is that the parts that actually hold the band were not like tight enough, if that makes sense. Like the band kept sliding out, so I didn't use it, but that is what they provided for some extra security. I'm going ahead and cutting my ear tabs out, y'all. This wig is so pretty and so natural. Like I said, this is it after I've bleached the knots and washed it and let it air dry overnight, and it just looks so natural. It is 150% density, so it did give me that really natural density and that natural look. And now y'all just see me using some alcohol to clean the makeup around my hairline. The bar cap was doing pretty good today, y'all. Y'all know. I'll be going through with my bar caps, but today it was pretty good. So now I'm just going in with my boho active. I'm going in with 2 layers. I do like to cut and to do it in little sections sometimes, just because, I don't know. I think I explained it in my last video. Depending on the unit, this one actually fit perfectly. Like, it didn't fit too big or small, but depending on the unit, it's just nice to go ahead and cut and do your wig install in sections. So that is what I'm doing today. I like this way better than just doing one like full line of glue and then doing a whole nother full line or layer of glue. I don't know, it's just something about this method that I love. So I always start with that middle section, and I'm going ahead and laying that down. And as always, I'm going to be taking my rat tail comb to kind of just comb it back, comb the hairs back, and to press the lace into the glue. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing on the other 2 sides of my head. And the key to lasting install, which I've learned over the years with doing my own hair, is doing a nice thick layer of glue. Like the actual width of, like, you see how I'm taking it up? That is what I'm talking about, how much glue there is. It doesn't necessarily mean use a lot of glue. You still want to do pretty thin layers, but just spreading it and having a nice thick layer in a sense of width will really help you go a long way. Because if you think about it, it's more glue and more space on the lace that's being applied to your head, and it just, to me, it makes sense in my head. I don't know if that made sense to y'all, but yeah, that is how you get like a longer lasting install, instead of just doing one thin skinny line of glue and then that lifting easily, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going ahead and I'm just fanning that a little bit, doing my second layer. I have another wig to put on, of course, so I only did 2 layers, but 2 layers is pretty good if you wanted to have this last as well. I usually do 2 to 3. So I'm going ahead and putting this last side down, and again, using my comb to comb the hair back, press the lace into the glue. And yeah, I've also learned, y'all, that it ain't nothing wrong with bringing your wig down just a little bit. That's literally the whole point of not having glue. I used to have glue on my hair, child, just being careless with it. And it's like, it don't even gotta go like that. You could bring the wig down a little bit. Nobody's saying have it all the way down your forehead, sis, but you could bring it down a little bit. So yeah, that is what I decided to do today. And I noticed that even when I put my bar cap on like that, it's not so hard. I'm always saying I have a low hairline, but it's fine. Just bring it down a little bit and everything will be cool. So I'm using the band that they provided, and I put that on as y'all saw, and I'm just showing y'all the hair in its natural state. Like I said, I washed it and bleached the knots, and then I let it sit overnight to just air dry, actually a couple nights. And this is the look that it gave. It looks, like I said, really natural, really pretty. And I actually like it in its natural state, y'all. And this 150 density wasn't bad at all. If you want that more natural look, I definitely recommend get it 150 density, because this is the look I got. By the way, not to mention, this hair was super duper soft. So easy to work with, really pretty, and it blended really well with my hairline. This is a 13x4, by the way, y'all know the density. And then I got it in, I believe, 24 inches. So like I said, I will have all the details in my description box down below. Make sure y'all shop with them. I definitely highly recommend this unit if you're looking for a natural body wave unit. You can do so many things with body wave hair. That's why I love it. It's so versatile. It holds a curl really well because it's body wave, but you can also straighten it. So yeah. And y'all saw me do like a little flip over side part in the beginning. Well, y'all saw that in the beginning, but y'all gonna see me just do like a little, flip over side part for this unit. So yeah, I cut the lace off, use my Got To Be glue on those edges of the lace, and I put the wig band back on so it can melt a little longer, showing y'all a little bit more of the hair in its natural state. I barely use my hot comb. Like, I was being real like blah with my hot comb because I wanted that body for this look. I wasn't focused on the top being like super flat. It already looked really good, so I really didn't need to do too much. But yeah, I'm just taking that band off, and y'all can see it's pretty late. Now, y'all did not see me do this, but off camera, I actually decided to cut some more lace. Like, as y'all can see, the way that the hairline is shaped, I personally just don't like how it's shaped. It looked uneven to me. So I did go off camera and just cut some of that lace off in the very front. And now I'm doing the edges. Since I'm doing a side part, I decided to map my edges out according to the side part. And I'm using my really skinny flat iron to curl them. And I decided to use one of my little spoolies, like a lash spoolie that I got from Amazon, which I have linked in my Amazon storefront if y'all are interested, as well as the lashes too, y'all. I always have my Amazon storefront in the description box. So after just laying them with the little spoolie and a little bit of black Got To Be glue gel, I'm plucking the hair some, because I really didn't pluck this hairline, y'all. It came pre-plucked and it looked so pretty to me. So I did a little bit of customization like on my hair, as y'all can see. Obviously wanting the baby hairs to be like, nice and not too thick looking, and just plucking a little bit of the hairline, but I didn't do too much plucking at all. So this wig is pretty beginner friendly in my opinion. And yeah, I'm using a little bit more Got To Be glue gel. I only focus it at the base, and then I kind of just comb the rest down a little bit with the spoolie. I don't know, I think I couldn't find my edge brush, like a good one that was an arm's reach with the little comb. So I was like, let me just use my spoolie. Like, these make for really good edges too. So that's what y'all see me doing, and I feel like it was turning out really cute. So I was debating like, should I do the other side? And I did. I for sure did. So I went ahead and put some on the other side, and I think it was really turning out cute, y'all. Like I said, all you gotta do is take your time. Like, that's what I usually say in my videos, because I see a big difference when I'm rushing versus taking my time with my installs. And it's like, why would you rush? Just take your time. And this is kind of like therapeutic in a way for me, to just be doing my hair, having my gospel music playing. Yeah. So now y'all see me using a razor comb, which is the easiest way in my opinion to get layers, especially if you're not a hairstylist like me. I'm not a hairstylist, y'all. I just do my own hair, and I've been doing it for like years because I was tired of paying all that money to get my hair did. So I just get my hair did on special occasions. That's besides the point though. I'm using this razor comb to put some layers in the hair. Like I said, really easy, y'all. It's literally a comb with a razor. Now, don't be going, too crazy with it now. You do have to have a light hand, because that blade in that comb is really sharp. But yeah, y'all just kind of seen that I like to like section the hair off and then just kind of go down the hair with my razor. If that makes sense. You can do the same thing with scissors too, but that razor just gives it a nice gradient effect. So now I'm using I think this was a bed head. It is a bed head wand curler. I don't know what inch it is, but it's big. It might be like a 1, I think. Is that how it works? Like, the lower the number, the fatter the wand. Yeah, that is, because 1.5 is smaller than this. So yeah, anyways, I'm using like a bigger wand curl. I wanted some really pretty like wand curls, so that's what I decided to do. And I really like the curls that be like flat against the barrel, so y'all can kind of see as I'm wrapping the hair, I'm keeping the hair like flat against the barrel. That is the difference between you getting different wand curls, just how you're wrapping the hair, and then if you're wrapping the hair and making sure it's flat or not. So yeah, y'all can just see me doing that, and I'm literally curling away from my face. I'm taking this whole section now, like the little bang section, and I'm curling that away from my face. Sometimes I switch it up between curling it away and curling it towards my face, because I've gotten some really cute looks. Literally before this wig, I was wearing a wig where I curled the bang towards my face. Literally burnt the mess out of my forehead, by the way, but it turned out really, really cute. And y'all gonna see me burn myself again in here. I don't know, every time I use this wand, I do burn my forehead, so just be careful. But I'm just kind of showing y'all the process. We ain't want to be all here, you know, here all day showing y'all me doing the curls, because that just would have been too long. So I kind of just showed y'all different sections. I'm using my Sebastian Shaper Plus, like y'all seen, which is a really, see, there you go, burning yourself, girl. Be careful, girl. So that is what I'm doing. Y'all kind of see, like, I don't know, I'm trying to, I don't know, that makes sense in my head what I just did right there. It's kind of like using a hot comb, but before we had the hot comb, we just used to use the curler to, you know, get the hair flat in the front. But yeah, back to the Sebastian Plus. I love that hairspray. It's so light and it's so bomb. It don't leave your hair crunchy at all, and that's a really good hairspray. Slade by Jordan. Is it Slade by Jordan? Yeah, he put me onto that. But anyways, slow-mo. Cue it. It's giving. Yeah, get into it. Like, do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see the way that the hair is moving? Or yeah, let's just get into it. Y'all know I love me a cute slow-mo, just showcasing the hair and how it turned out. I was feeling myself. I was feeling that bang. The bang was banging. Okay, the bang was banging. So like I said, once again, y'all, this hair is 24 inches, 13 by 4 body wave units. Shop with my girls at Beauty Forever Hair. They did their thing with this unit. Like I said, highly recommend. I got very, very, very minimum shedding during this whole process. And yeah, like, look at how it turned out, y'all. So cute. I definitely had to learn over the years that if you want some cute curls, all you gotta do is put some layers in it. But yeah, y'all, shout out to Beauty Forever Hair once again. Make sure y'all check out the links in the description to shop. And thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.